Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Now, I'm currently using a Windows PC here. So let's go ahead and take, for example, Microsoft Edge. Now, if you're using a brand new computer and you haven't downloaded any browser there, then most likely your option is going to be Microsoft Edge. So you can type in Edge, or in worst case you might have Internet Explorer, so you will have to simply type in Internet Explorer or type in Explorer, right, and you will find that you'll be able to find Internet Explorer. In this case I have Microsoft Edge because I'm currently using the Windows 11 PC, and you'll have the Microsoft Edge, so you just need to go ahead and open that. Now once you open that, you will have maybe Google showing here, or it's going to walk you through some steps where you can basically start to use the browser normally if you're using it for the first time. But the quickest and the fastest way how to search for Google Chrome in any browser is to use the address bar. So you would click in the address bar at the top and simple type in Google Chrome, right? So once you search for that, you'll be taken over to the Google Chrome searches here. You'll be taken over to the search here where you can find Google Chrome, and at the top you want to click on the official website. So on the official website it will say googlechrome.com, and most likely you will also see from the list where it says download. So you can either click from here to go directly to the downloads, or the second option in the list as well, you can click from here, download Google Chrome or download now, or whichever one where you see the download now for official Google Chrome, you can do that. But let's choose the first option and go to the official website. Now here you can see that it shows download Chrome, so you can click on this button and it's going to go over to this page where it's going to pop up and say, okay, do you want to save it or open it? So this is what happened if you have your browser not set to automatically to save the download files. In my case, it's just give me a pop-up and it asks me if I want to save it or save as or open. In other browsers it might set to automatic, so you will notice that it downloads the file and then you're able to open that. In case it downloads it automatically, you just need to open up your file explorer, and once your file explorer opens up, guys, you just need to go to downloads and you should be able to find that file here. Now this is the file that I'm currently downloading, but I haven't confirmed it yet. So if I go ahead and I choose, for example, save or open, it's going to download the file and I'll be able to find that file right here. Let's show you. So I'm going to go ahead and click on open, for example, and you see that it downloads and it will give me a pop-up on my PC to say if I want to run it. So I'm going to go ahead and choose yes. And as you can see, it's currently going through the process of installing for me right now. And once Google Chrome has finished install, guys, as you can see, it opens up, it's finished installing, and I will be able to go through the process of using Google Chrome normally. So as you can see, I have Google Chrome open. I can open up, these are my many profiles, and you will be able to sign into your profiles and to use Google Chrome normally once it finish download and install. So in my case, I can go ahead and I can open up Google Chrome. I can open up whatever I want. So let's say I want to open up this, then I have Google Chrome readily available to me and I can start to use Google Chrome. Currently you can see that I have it in dark mode. If this is something that you want to do for yourself, just once you go ahead and once Google Chrome is installed and you open it, on the lower right hand side you'll have a customized Chrome. You can click on that, and from here you can go ahead and you can customize your Chrome. You can put it in dark mode, light mode, so you'll find that option here. So here you'll see you have dark mode and you have light mode, so whichever option you want to use, you can easily go ahead and choose it right from here. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to download and install Google Chrome on your PC or laptop.